The GoPro Hero 14 Black is finally here, and the buzz around it is huge. GoPro is calling it their most powerful action camera yet. But is it really the game changer everyone's talking about? Or is it just another small step forward from last year's Hero 13? In this video, we're going to put it to the ultimate test and break down everything it brings to the table. From upgraded displays and smarter software, to jaw-dropping video quality, stabilization, and low-light performance, this camera promises to deliver something special for both casual shooters and professionals alike. We'll also take a closer look at its design, battery improvements, and the accessories that help expand what you can do with it. If you're into adventure, travel vlogging, or just love capturing everyday moments in stunning detail, the Hero 14 might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Stick around and join Technify as we find out if this camera really lives up to the hype. The GoPro Hero 14 takes a familiar formula and pushes it to new heights. One of the first things you'll notice is the improved front display, which is brighter and sharper than ever before. For vloggers, this is a huge win, as it makes framing shots and checking your angles much easier. On the back, the touchscreen has also been refined. Swipes and taps feel incredibly smooth, and navigating menus is quicker than ever. It feels like GoPro has finally nailed the balance between performance and ease of use, letting you get straight to filming without fiddling with endless settings. When it comes to video performance, this is where the Hero 14 really shines. The camera supports 8K recording at 30 frames per second, delivering jaw-dropping clarity and detail. For those who love slow motion, 4K recording now goes all the way up to 240 frames per second, offering buttery smooth footage that looks straight out of a professional production. Hyper-smooth stabilization has also been upgraded, now giving you gimbal-like steadiness even in the most intense action shots. Combined with features like time warp, horizon lock, and cinematic modes, the Hero 14 lets you get incredibly creative with your storytelling. Plus, the ability to record in higher bit rates means that professional editors have even more detail to work with. Connectivity and software integration have also taken a big step forward. Wi-Fi transfers are faster, Bluetooth pairing is smoother, and the companion app feels much more refined. GoPro has even added AI-powered editing suggestions, making it easier to put together polished clips with minimal effort. Cloud uploads are speedier too, and live streaming now supports higher resolutions, making it a stronger choice for creators who like to broadcast their adventures in real time. The upgraded image sensor is another highlight. It captures sharper details, richer colors, and handles challenging lighting much better than before. Low light performance has been greatly improved, with less noise and more accurate colors in darker settings. High dynamic range support also ensures that highlights and shadows look more natural, while still photography benefits from boosted megapixels for professional quality results. Customization remains one of GoPro's biggest strengths, and the Hero 14 continues that tradition. It's fully compatible with most existing mounts, but also introduces new modular add-ons like upgraded microphones, extended battery packs, and specialized lens attachments. Whether you're diving deep underwater, tearing down mountain trails, or filming cinematic landscapes, this camera adapts to your needs. The design stays true to GoPro's iconic rugged look but feels sturdier and slightly more compact. The materials give it excellent grip, while improved waterproofing and sealing make it even more durable in extreme conditions. On top of that, the redesigned battery management system ensures longer shooting times, with quick charging to get you back in action faster. Overall, the GoPro Hero 14 feels like a true leap forward. It combines cutting-edge video features, unmatched stabilization, smarter software, and reliable durability, making it one of the most versatile action cameras ever built. That wraps up our deep dive into the GoPro Hero 14 Black, and it's safe to say this camera doesn't just raise the bar. It sets a whole new standard for what an action camera can be. With its stunning 8K video, rock-solid stabilization, impressive low-light performance, and smarter connectivity, it's clear that GoPro is aiming this camera at both adventure seekers and serious creators. What really stands out is how much more polished and user-friendly it feels compared to past models. From its brighter screens and intuitive interface to its stronger durability and longer-lasting battery, it seems GoPro has listened to what users wanted most. But now we want to hear from you. Do you think the Hero 14 is the ultimate action camera, or are you holding out for what's next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Technify, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech content. Until next time, stay creative, stay adventurous, and keep exploring with Technify.